Why are you stressed? Hello, Sarah. How are you?
Hey, David. I'm great. Just got off work. How about you?
I'm okay. I have been really stressed lately and not getting a lot of sleep.
I'm sorry to hear that. Why are you stressed?
Mostly work and school. Just a lot of things to do and not enough time.
Working and studying is definitely a lot. Don't forget to also take some time for yourself.
That's good advice. I will as soon as work slows down a bit.
Can I help you with some of your schoolwork?
No, don't worry about it. It's just a stressful period right now. How about taking a vacation and do something to cheer you up this weekend? That would be very nice. Maybe I could go to the park. Thank you, Sarah.
Of course. That's what friends are for. Cooking together. Would you like to cook dinner together?
Sure, I'd love to. What would you like to eat?
I was thinking maybe vegetable soup.
I love vegetable soup. What ingredients should we use?
I have carrots, onions, zucchini, and broccoli in the fridge.
Great. Then let's use all of that. I'll dice the zucchini and the onions. Do you want to prepare the broccoli and carrots?
Yes, I'll do that. Should we add some pepper and garlic?
Oh yes, that sounds delicious. We could also bake a baguette in the oven.
Very good idea. How do you want to season the soup? With salt and pepper?
Yeah, and with some chili, if that's okay with you. I'm really hungry already.
Me too. Who taught you how to cook?
My mother. She is a great cook. We always used to prepare dinner together.
If you set the table, I will finish the soup and then we can eat.
Sounds good.
The weather.
What is the weather going to be like today?
It looks like it's going to rain.
Oh no. I thought it was going to be nice.
The forecast said it's going to be rainy and cold all weekend.
We were going to have a barbecue, but maybe we should do it another time.
The weather has been really unpredictable lately.
I really hope that it won't rain. Yesterday it was sunny and warm.
Maybe it will be better next week.
I sure hope so. This summer has been very rainy so far.
Giving compliments.
Your hair looks really nice today. Did you change something about it?
Thank you so much. I just got a haircut yesterday.
It suits you really well. Where did you go for it?
Just down the street at the new place.
I've been wanting a change too. Maybe I should also try it.
It's a nice place, but don't cut your hair. It's so beautiful and long. I wish mine would be like that.
That's really sweet of you to say. I was thinking more of a color change.
My hairdresser Louise was great and the cut very affordable. I bet they would do a great job.
You are really praising them. I think I will give them a call later.
I really like my new haircut. You should call them.
Apologizing. I'm sorry I'm late today. My car broke down this morning.
Don't worry, it's all right. Maybe next time you could call though and let me know you're running late, so we don't have to wait for you.
Of course. I was stressed about my car and simply forgot.
I understand. Just remember next time.
I will. I hope I didn't miss anything important.
We started about 30 minutes ago, but I can go over what you have missed again.
Thank you, I really appreciate it. And sorry again for being late.
I've been late before too because I missed the bus. It happens.
At the airport. I would like to check in for my flight to London.
London is your final destination? And I need to see your passport or ID, please.
Yes, London is my final destination and here is my passport.
Do you have checked luggage or a carry-on?
I have one suitcase and one backpack.
Could you place them on the belt, please? And would you like an aisle or window seat?
Could I have a seat next to an emergency exit?
Certainly. Here is your boarding pass. Your plane is leaving from Gate 4. Please be there 45 minutes before departure. Have a nice flight.
Perfect. Thanks.
Busy with work. Hello, David. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine too. What are you up to?
Not much, just work. And you?
Same. Busy with work.
It was great talking to you.
It was very nice talking to you, too.
See you around, Sarah.
Bye.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.